Okay, and then I have this other little assignment here. I did have you do this a little bit in December. It says find the product, okay? And you've got x minus 6 times x minus 2. Now remember, this is when you do the FOIL method, so you're going to take x times x, you're going to take x times negative 2, negative 6 times x, and negative 6 times negative 2. Okay, so it's x to the second, you're going to have negative 2x, negative 6x, and 12. Okay, then I combine these two, negative 2 and negative 6, that'd be negative 8x. So the answer is x to the second minus 8x plus 12. Okay, then there's another find the product. Okay, we go x plus 3 times x plus 7. So x times x, x times 7, 3 times x, and 3 times 7. X second, 7x, 3x, and 21. Okay, so it's 10x. Okay, so that's a product. Okay, factor the expressions. Now factoring, okay, factor the expression. Factoring means you're going from here and getting the two parentheses, okay? So the first one, it goes x to the second plus 11x plus 18. So we're going to make two parentheses. X second would be x times x, okay? Then you're going to make this table here to find your rest of it. And you're going to label this A, B, C. Now A is a 1, but I don't want you to put a 1, okay? Just know that it's 1. And you would take the A times the C, so I'd be taking 1 times 18. So 1 times 18 is 18. It would be positive 18. So if it's positive, we want to add, and when we add, we want to get it just put add equals 11. So I start dividing 18. 18 divided by 1 is 18, okay? 1 plus 18 is not 11. 18 divided by 2 is 9, okay? So you put 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. We have it, okay? So I put 2 and 9. Now I need to know whether they're plus signs or minus sign. Now, first off, that plus sign, wherever that plus sign is, that means you have to have the bigger number be plus automatically, okay? Just drag that sign right there. And when we add, the signs have to be the same, okay? So x plus 2, x minus 9. Okay, next one, x to the second plus 3x plus 2. I think I had to do some. So x. Now ABC, you're always taking the A times the C. 1 times 2 is 2, positive 2. So again, that's an add. When you get a negative, you're going to minus, but we're going to add to try to get to 3. So I divide 2 by starting with 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, so I have it. So I put a 1 and a 2. So that plus right there goes in front of the 2. And adding means the signs have to match. They have to be the same. So x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, next one. A to the second plus 7a plus 10. So a to the second, that'd be a times a. Okay, so I go a, b, c. 1 times 10 is 10. Positive again, so it's another add. We're trying to get it to add to 7. So I start dividing 10. 10 divided by 1 is 10. 1 plus 10 isn't 7. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, so that's it. 2, 5. So this plus we put, that's got to go to the bigger number, and adding means the signs have to be the same. So it's a plus 2 times a plus 5. Okay, next one, p to the second power plus 9p plus 14. So we got P times P, then A, B, C. So 1 times 14 is 14, positive. So I got a positive, so we're going to add to try to get to 9, okay? So 14 divided by 1 is 14, but that doesn't add up to 9. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9, so that's it. We know it's 2 and 7, but the signs, we're going to have plus 7, and the add means the signs are the same. Okay, so plus 2. P plus 2 times P plus 7. Okay, next one, x to the second power minus 4x plus 3. So x times x. Remember, a is 1. I'm not going to put a 1 because I want you to see that that was x squared, so x. 1 times 3 is 3, okay, positive 3. So again, because it's positive, I want to add to 4. So 3 divided by 1 is 3, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Now, this time we have a minus in the middle, okay? So you want to put the minus in front of the 3. And again, when you're adding, the signs have to be the same. They have to match, okay? So if I know I have minus 3, I need minus 1, and they're matched up, okay? X minus 1 times x minus 3. Okay, next one, t to the second minus 8t plus 12. Okay, A, B, C. 1 times 12 is 12. It's positive 12, so it's another add. I'm still adding to try to get 8. So what are factors of 12? Well, if I divide 12 by 1, I get 12. 1 plus 12 is not 8, though. If I take 12 divided by 2, that's 6, and that's 8. So I know it's TT to 6. Now again, that minus always goes to the bigger number. Adding means the signs have to match. They have to be the same. So if I have a minus, to have them be the same, I need another minus, okay? Okay, next problem, we got f to the second plus 4f minus 32. F. So 1 times negative 32 is negative 32, okay? This time it's negative, so I'm not going to be adding. I'm going to minus, and I want a minus to get 4, okay? So divide just like you always do, 1 and 32. 32 minus 1 is not 4. Now 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 minus 2 is not 4. 32 divided by 3 is a decimal, so don't even put the decimal, okay? Just go to 4. Okay, that works, so I put 4 down, and then when I divide 32 by 4, the answer is 8. Okay, so 8 minus 4 is 4, so is 2. So we go 4, 8. Same thing, plus goes to the 8. Now minus means the signs have to not match, okay, on a minus. So those are not going to match. So if we know that's plus, to not have a match, that would just have to be minus, okay. When you're adding, the signs will match, okay. Drag that to the bigger one and they'll match. Okay, next one, x to the second plus 6x minus 72. So we got x times x. 1 times negative 72 is negative 72. So that's minus now, not add, and we want to minus that to 6. So I start dividing. 72 divided by 1 is 72. That would not be 6 if I minus. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Nope. 72 divided by 3 is 24. 24 minus 3. Nope. 72 divided by 4 is 18. Nope. 72 divided by 5 is a decimal, so I would just skip 5 and then I'd go to 6. 72 divided by 6 is 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6, so those are the two numbers. Now I got to make sure I put the right signs. So plus 6 means you're going to have a plus in front of the bigger number. Okay, and on a minus, okay, the signs cannot match. Okay. Adding they match, minus they don't. So minus 6. Okay, I got 2 more. M to the second minus 7m minus 120. Okay, so m to the second is m times m. Now what times what's negative 120? So A, B, C. 1 times negative 120 is negative 120. Okay, so it's a minus, and I'm minusing trying to get to 7. So 120, that doesn't minus to 7. Divide by 2, you get 60. Nope. 3, you get 40. Nope. 4, you get 30. Nope. 5, you get 24. Nope. 6 and 20. 20 minus 6. Nope. Decimal. 8 and 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. Minus 7, because again you always drag whatever the B sign is to the larger number. Minus they can't match. Okay, not match. So I know we got minus, so when I have a match, we just go plus. Okay, 2 parentheses, XX. 1 times negative 70 is negative 70. So that's minus trying to get to 3. So 1 and 70, nope. Divide by 2, you get 35, nope. Decimal. Now divide by 4, decimal. Divide by 5. Okay, 5 and 14. But 14 minus 5 is not 3, so I got to keep going. Decimal. 7 and 10, okay. Okay, 10 minus 7 is 3, so it'd be 7 and 10. So it'd be plus 10. Got to have more positive, okay. And minus means a not match, okay. So plus 10 minus 7.